Zaid. Zaido, what's wrong? You want toys? Which one you like? Choose. Baba will buy. Which one you like? You choose. This one? Yeah. You know how to play? How? Like that? He knows how to play, Baba. Like this. That's it. Count 1, 2, 3. Zaido. Zaid. Zaido.
What do you want to eat, Zaido?
Oh, it's dark. Hidden. You're eating spring rolls, Zaido? Spring roll?
Which one you want?
Which one you like, Zaido? The lion or is it a dog? Huh? You want? He doesn't care. Which one you like, Zaido? Huh?
Baby shark?
Wait. No, you don't like anything? Zaido, you want this kind of room?
Baby shark.
Huh? With baby shark?
That one baby shark.
Huh? The wall, I think he can pass that side, no? Nice ones, no? Wait. The carpet also? Yeah. Okay. Zaido! Zaido! What's wrong with you? Are you sleepy?
Yeah, I think he was
Huh?